Good morning, everyone. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 28th of September. And let me explain you what can happen for today's market. So, if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon. If you're not a part of my Telegram channel, search for Crazy Money with Sri on Telegram and go ahead and join. So let's get started. What happened on Friday and what could happen on today, and how you need to actually position yourself. So if you remember, I had told you on Friday saying that it is better to cover our shorts because there could be a short covering which could happen because US looks like it has um, reversed. So the same thing actually happened in the Indian market. Now, is it a rebound reversal? Only time has to say. If we have to see a reversal in the trend of downward, I have been telling you that market is right now sell on rallies. So if that has to change, for that market has to go ahead of 11,300 and above and sustain there. Only then our view is going to change. As of now, I don't see that happening. And whatever rebound has come, if you have gone long, uh, so you need to look at the first 15 minutes. If that price is going to sustain, probably the prices may improve. For US, there is a lot of events which are lined up. So if I have to talk about the events which are lined up, one of the major event is the debate which is starting. So you know the US presidential election that is actually happening on November 3rd. So there's a debate which is actually starting, and that is actually getting started on this Tuesday night for US timing. So whatever effect has to happen, that will happen on the Tuesday evening on the US market, and that will get reflected. But overall, what I see is there is a lot of volatility in the market. So it's better that whatever positions you have stricter stop losses, because prices can keep fluctuating, um, higher and lower, both the things can happen. So especially in the index side, it is better for us to cover our positions, and whenever there is a real opportunity you can really look at that. um, we may see quite a lot of volatility because this week actually looks quite volatile, and after that only we can see a real trend emerging. But overall the trend looks as of now sell on rallies itself. um, and as I have been telling you, Bank Nifty is still in the bear market, and for the Bank Nifty, for us to change our view, we need to move about 22,400. We have to sustain that, which actually looks quite far stretched, and so it's better for us to be on the sell on rallies as of now, because banks are as absolutely very weak. So so whatever you are seeing is just actually there is a lot of shorts in the market. Because of that, the shorts are getting covered, and that's the only reason why you are seeing such a big actually jump, which you could see almost 2% actually market has moved up, and another 1% probably you can see a gap up kind of a opening which is going to happen. The gap up may happen, but will it sustain is the biggest question, which is actually something we need to look forward. And if the gap cannot sustain, then there is a very likelihood that the prices will start coming down. But market, as I said, it may not 11,000 may sustain for maybe um, tomorrow, till today or tomorrow. And I see market right now in the range between 10,800 on the lower side to 11,200 on the higher side. I know the range is a little wide, but right now the market movements will be quite volatile and quite wild. My view is still the same. It is sell on rallies itself. Um but we need to see how things is going to work. I don't see market, it is very difficult for market to sustain above 11,150 as far as I can see. And if it can sustain that, probably we may move towards 11,200, 250. But there actually the resistance is quite a lot. We need to see how this will work. And for bank nifty, 21,400, 500 levels are going to be very, very strong resistance. So look at these levels, and based on that you can take the trading decisions. I am reiterating my views on gold, silver, copper, crude and aluminium. I'm still expecting these prices to come down. This may happen sometime later in this week or any time, but or this month. This month is going to be very crucial. Anytime things may happen. So the crash is actually looking quite evident, but the timing is something which we have to see. So this is my views about the market. If you actually want to understand, I have started my 6 months program. So if you are part of my telegram group, you would have got this notification. If you are interested, you just go to the playlist which is there here. For all the free program, the basic stock market training program is actually absolutely free in the playlist in the YouTube. And in the last video you can see how you can get mentored by me. I have actually explained you various options, so you can actually look at that, and based on that you can actually take the trading decisions, learning decisions. You can actually be mentored by me. I have something crazy things I keep doing for all my students. I was explaining last week that how I experimented when the reversal started, just with 5,000 rupees of options, and that 5,000 right now is somewhere around 85,000 rupees. So it has gone up 1 is to 17x. So it's absolutely crazy, and this new experiment I am actually doing with my students, and they can actually be a part of this. So I keep doing a lot of new things for my students because I actually want to give maximum value. So stay tuned. I'll be actually coming live with my live trading ideas by afternoon or the evening. Let's see how actually things work out. Or I may come in the probably I'll be coming at 11 o'clock or 12:30 or 2:30 depending on the market movement. So go and subscribe the channel, hit on the bell icon, so you will notified when actually when I would be personally coming live. Thank you very much guys. Have a great day. Just like this video, share this to all your friends. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and let it be more profitable for you.